Everyone, I have an ML320 with a non-functioning radio. I killed my battery because I left the light on and I had to get it jumped, but when I turned it back on, the radio wasn't working. I checked all the fuses and they all seemed to be working great, even the one behind the radio, but I still had a black screen and nothing seemed to be working. Ended up, long story short, I just went to the fuse box and I took out F21, which is the radio and stereo system. Took it out for about 10 seconds, put it back in, and everything seemed to be working again. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, please ask.